Retail kiosks work, and when they're done right, they work really well. Used compliantly, kiosks become educational, profitable lead engines, not awkward sales booths. So let's talk about how to work a kiosk like a pro. First tip, don't go it alone. Working alongside another licensed agent helps reduce burnout, share costs, and keep your kiosk staffed during peak hours. It also creates a more consistent professional presence, which matters for both compliance and consumer trust. And honestly, sometimes it's just nice to have a buddy. A kiosk partner can jump in if a conversation gets tricky, help answer questions, or give you a breather when you need one. Pharmacy and store employees interact daily with both ACA and Medicare-eligible shoppers. When they understand that your role is educational and not pushy, they're far more likely to send curious customers your way. Remember, yes, you sell insurance, but the most important thing you sell is yourself. So build rapport with store staff, be professional, and show up consistently. That reputation goes a long way. Retail rules prohibit active solicitation, and let's be real, no one enjoys being stopped mid-shopping trip anyway. Successful kiosk agents rely on open body language, friendly greetings, and professionalism while waiting for shoppers to initiate contact. And once they do, that's your green light to educate, build trust, and start a real conversation. High-performing kiosks make smart use of tech. Think tablets, QR codes, and digital consent to contact forms. But why does this matter? Because quick, organized lead generation paired with prompt follow-up dramatically improves appointment rates and customer satisfaction. The smoother the experience, the better the outcome for everyone. Final tip, while kiosks often focus on a single product type, like solely Medicare Advantage or solely ACA, strong agents always think bigger. Every conversation is an opportunity to cross-sell. While you're listening to a client talk about their problems, be thinking about all of the financial exposure they're currently facing. What else can you recommend to them to give them coverage from all sides, or help them financially plan for their future? Relationship-based planning across multiple different product lines doesn't just help your clients, it helps you build a more resilient business. It also makes you look pretty darn good, like a bona fide insurance pro, which is always a good thing. Retail kiosks work when you work them intentionally, compliantly, and professionally. So show up consistently, lead with education, build relationships, and use every interaction as a chance to grow. Not just your book of business, but your positive impact on the community. Do you have any retail kiosk tips for us? Or even another question you'd like answered? Leave a comment below and it may be the topic of our next video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!